Hello there, this is Crystal Johnson, and I welcome you to learning MongoDB 4.0 by Pact Publishing. I have around 8 years of experience in the entire database administration scene. Currently, I work as a senior database administrator in Docio Digitech. The field of data research and analysis interests me and forms the core of my career, where I constantly look for simple tools or solutions to complex business-related issues. I have worked in companies like SAP and M&P Analytics, where I trained and headed a team of talented individuals to make sense of the massive amounts of data that we dealt with on a daily basis. I hope that this course is a good learning experience for you and helps you to widen your horizons on Mongo's benefits for your use cases. This course will teach you how to use Mongo to manage heavy volumes of unstructured and non-relational datasets. Together, we will cover all of the important aspects of MongoDB, like data modeling, authentication, security, relationships, expressions, replication, and so on. Packed with plenty of real-world examples, by the end of this course, you will be completely updated with MongoDB 4.0 and its features. In the first section, Getting Started with MongoDB, we will start off understanding why Mongo can be an ideal choice for your enterprise. We will install MongoDB on Windows and various Linux flavors and understand what is MongoDB Compass and how to install it on Windows and Ubuntu. In the second section, MongoDB Data Structures, we will learn the architectural concepts of database, collections, and documents. We will also be creating a database and collection for our chosen project. In the third section, Understanding the Mongo Shell, you will understand all the basics related to the Mongo Shell and understand why the Mongo Shell is preferred over MongoDB Compass. We will learn to use the shell to execute many simple queries and then understand how complex CRUD operations can be made easy using the Mongo Shell. In the fourth section, Building Complex Queries, you will learn to use the aggregation pipeline framework and conduct complex queries. We will go through stages, expression operators, and how to gather information such as sum, average, and so on using the aggregation pipeline framework. Finally, you will learn to work with PyMongo using Python's client interface for Mongo. In the fifth section, Performance and Maintenance, we will understand the query plan of our data and then create index for better query performance. We will learn the backup and restore techniques used in Mongo. We will round things up by understanding all about replica sets, sharding strategies, and advantages of the same. In the last section of this course, Securing MongoDB, you will learn to secure your database against various intruders in the best possible way. We will understand the authentication mechanisms that Mongo offers, and then walk through the different roles in Mongo that decides a user's usage rights in the database. We will then learn about the transport layer security mechanism and the various security-related methods used in Mongo. You need to make sure that you have the latest version of Mongo installed on your system to ensure a smooth run-through during this course. By the end of this course, you will have a good understanding of all the features of Mongo 4.0. You will understand the Mongo aggregation framework, the Mongo shell, documents, and collections. You will be familiar with the concepts of replication, sharding, and security, and finally be able to create a secure environment for your data. Now that we know what lies ahead, let's jump right into the course and begin with the very first section, Getting Started with MongoDB.